China criticizes Germany for suspending extradition treaty with Hong Kong. China has condemned Germany's decision to suspend extradition agreement with Hong Kong after the territorial government delayed the local polls. The Chinese embassy in Germany expresses its strong indignation and firm opposition to the wrong remarks of German Foreign Minister Heiko Maas regarding Hong Kong affairs on July 31st. Chinese embassy said in the statement. It stated the Hong Kong SAR government's decision to postpone the Legislative Council election due to the COVID-19 epidemic situation is a responsible move to protect the lives and health of Hong Kong residents. Hong Kong affairs are China's internal affairs. The German sides and the suspension of the law and basic norms governing international relations and gross violation of China's internal affairs. The decision by the Hong Kong government to disqualify 12 opposition candidates and to postpone the election to the Legislative Council represents a further infringement of the right of Hong Kong citizens. Maas said. The German Foreign Minister said this move comes after detention of 4 activists by the newly established National Security Concern. Chief Executive Carrie Lam announced on Friday that the Legislative Council election scheduled for September 6 will be postponed over the COVID-19 threat. We have repeatedly made clear our expectation that China abide by its obligation under international law. This includes ensuring the rights and freedoms guaranteed by Basic Law of Hong Kong. In particular, it includes the right to free and fair elections, which the people of Hong Kong must enjoy, said Maas. The developments come in the wake of imposition of draconian national security law in Hong Kong, aimed at crushing dissent in the erstwhile British colony, which saw massive pro-democracy protests last year.